BTS's Jungkook has finally unveiled a little bit of his first huge solo project. Titled Mood Inner Self, fans were left in awe when he dropped a spicy hot teaser video and some equally sizzling concept photos. The teaser video is a mere 6 seconds long, but it already has fans clamoring for more. Honestly, who can blame them? He looks like a wild vampire with tousled hair, a white frilled blouse, smudged lipstick and red contact lens. The teaser images further had him lying on a pure white bed, with his tattoo peeking out. Jungkook in an expensive blouse on a white bed, complete with delicate jewelry. Sign us up. We aren't the only ones who can't get a grip. The man has all his fans and even netizens going crazy over him. He's killing us with his visuals, before he bites our neck. What's going on, Jungkook? Sigh, I want to buy it now. I'll definitely get at least 10. Please put it on sale soon. Jungkook ah, gasp gasp gasp, give us more. September 1 is too far away. Ah, I'm going crazy, my head split. I love it crazy, they're turning my imagination into reality. We've read enough Vampire AU to know that this is exactly what fans have been thirsting over for years. Give it to the people, Jungkook.